not Universal. It's not Disneyland. It's Movie Land. Yes! It's a complete rip-off of Universal Studios, and we're gonna take you guys inside. We're gonna show you what it's all about. Me and Amanda just got day passes.
Pretty excited. We got day passes into here and their water park, and I think it was 70 euros total. So it's pretty cheap.
Let's go ride some rides.
Yep.
We've got a real New York Police Department vehicle.
From New York. Not Italy. New York. I think it looks great. It even looks like Universal.
We've got the Hollywood Tower up there. Not the Hollywood Tower of Terror, just the Hollywood Tower.
It's not Cold Stone, it's Ice Stone.
Would you guys want some ice stone?
PJ got himself an Italian chili dog. And over here, we don't have NASA, guys. We have Space USA. And not Transformers. Android.
We got Android over here. Good old Johnny Knoxville. Forget his name. We got some good old rodeo. We got the food garage. It's just like Universal. Just kind of bootleg and a little smaller.
I think it's actually really nice. There's nobody here.
Yeah, it's still really fun.
Yeah, we didn't wait in line at all on the last ride. We've only been on one ride, but that's because we were eating and stuff. It's actually a really nice little park. It's not crowded at all. And they don't make us wear a mask. So that's nice.
We've got a good old New York City taxi.
I got one problem though. There's a fuck ton of these here.
We've got an American freight truck.
And that's the entrance to a ride. And you walk into the back of it. It's pretty cool. Need the Stone Age.
Alright, so we're at the Stone Age. I'm gonna let you guys guess, what is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be Flintstones or Ice Age? Yeah, that's not supposed to be the Flintstones at all.
A lot of no one.
Definitely going to be the oldest ones on this ride, and one of the only ones on the ride.
Fine by me. Trying to get my money's worth.
No, that is supposed to be the Hollywood Tower of Terror without the terror. It's just called the Hollywood Tower.
The terrorless tower. It's really confusing. They don't tell you where you can and cannot go here, so we just keep like running into random things. They're like off limits and there's nobody guarding anything. So. And you can get a beer and a pretzel for €4 in an amusement park. Tell me that's not a steal.
We're looking for this roller coaster. It's right here.
But look, it's a car from Back to the Future.
Oh yeah. We got bootleg DeLorean.
Can I ask for a picture?
Cool stuff. Nah, or I don't care. We found it. Diabolic. We just had lunch about an hour ago, so let's see how it goes. I doubt I'm gonna be able to record, so see you guys after.
No one on that. There's only like 10 people. What the heck?
Alright, so I found a US military shop. Let's see what it's about.
Is this an American flag? Sure looks like an American flag.
Yeah, it's the US Army shop. It's not Fortnite, it's Fort Live.
Star Wars. What is it actually called?
R2-D2. I don't know, what is he actually called over here?
Here? I have no
See,
idea.
no, that's not called R2-D2 here.
You also have Sonic the Hedgehog,
Where?
also known as Space Ranger.
Really?
That's my guess. What's your guess? I'm gonna say that's supposed to be Sonic.
Is that supposed to be Sonic? I don't know. Maybe. That was the Hollywood Tower. We didn't go on it because we don't like waiting in lines. And we've been walking around quite a bit. We went swimming. We didn't film any of that because I didn't want to get the camera wet, even though it is a GoPro, so. How was your coffee?
Delicious.
Yeah.
I needed it. About to fall over on that beautiful car. Too old for this shit.
Yeah, this is a interesting place, especially coming from the US and seeing the real Hollywood Universal Studios.
Yeah, we used to have passes to Universal Studios, so we like know it really well.
It was fun though. I had fun here.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun trying to like relate all the different things to what we know.
Yeah, it's always fun comparing the two. So we're headed back to the Airbnb now. We're gonna try and catch the last bus. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around. hit the like button, subscribe. Until next time.